have, other than the power of prayer, which I have proven to myself.
Yep.
Reel down, lift up. See this, guys?
People can say, well, it's just coincidental, you know?
No.
Reel down.
Because you don't get anything you pray for, but I do.
Yeah. For the most
Not
part.
every, well, I'm careful with it, right?
Oh, yeah. I'm not greedy.
Lift up. And if he takes line out, don't reel against the drag because you're just going to put twist on this side.
Oh, look at you. We're already knocking on the door.
There we go.
Nice.
Yellowtail. Make sense? He caught himself, actually.
Nice.
Just threw out, caught one close, and if I was way out, I figure I'm past them. Or I don't have a bait. So then I reel in and start
Little
over.
baby. Little baby, too small. Or just barely.
No, he's 13.
Okay, I'll surf.
I'm telling you. She is an awesome fisherwoman. She really is. That girl can fish.
Yep, it's coming.
You thought it got off for a minute?
Experience.
Yeah.
Well, no, it's not.
That girl can fish. No question about that.
Oh, yeah. Good.
But after she got sick, she got so wimpy.
When the baits are running good, you put me between the two. Spread my ashes between the two.
I don't want to be cremated.
There'd be nothing left of me. My soul's already gone.
I told my sisters, blue jeans, t-shirt, a turkey call, and a little piece of fishing line and a hook.
Here we go again.
Okay, good thing I'm still running video.
We're in. Oh, you spit it. Come on, pick it up, pick it up. He just spit it. Pick it up, pick it up. Pick it up. Not one of you. No.
Slow down. There you
Tie it
go.
on there by the
There
time
you
it
go,
gets in.
bud. Good job.
All right, Sean knows.
Nice and slow. There you go.
Nice and
and
easy.
slow.
No
There you
hurry.
go.
No hurry, bud.
Ciao.
Good boy. That's a way.
Okay, just hold it right there, Sean.
Good job, bud.
Don't let him get into that someday.
Oops.
Yeah.
It's small.
There you go.
And they swallow that
Pretty
thing
good.
too.
No hurry, okay? There's no hurry.
At the end of the dinner, anybody having a fat one, I thought it was played.
It's
Like,
his.
go
That's
around
it,
and
buddy.
give it.
Nice and
easy.
slow,
You're
nice and
great.
slow,
You're
nice and
great.
slow. Good
No
job,
hurry.
Tom.
This one's got some pull to it.
Reel
Come
down
on,
slow.
Thomas.
Reel down
Yeah,
slower.
buddy, it's a good one.
Okay, it's good. Stop going.
Nicely done. No hurry.
It's hard to find bottom.
Oh, don't. No hurry,
Nice
bud.
and slow,
No hurry.
bud. You're doing good. That's a nice one too, I bet.
Yep.
Pretty good,
Keep
bud.
tight lines.
Tough.
Rachel, you want to give it a try?
No.
Rachel, back up just a little bit. Keep actually going back is a
Come
little
over
bit
here,
easier.
Rachel. Rachel, come here. Stay here. Look this. We get a good white
Good
shot.
job.
Nice, Thomas. Nice tight lines. Nice and slow. No hurry, bud.
See what he caught?
Little
Nice.
grouper.
Done,
All right.
buddy. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
grab it right up.
Rachel, wide shot, come back on me. Put your back of your bottom against the back of the boat behind me.
I'm good.
Okay.
You said there was a mutton here. Mangrove.
Mangrove.
Excuse me.
Bring it. You're doing a good job there, Thomas. Oh, come around by me. Unless you
I'm
can get shot
trying. Holy crap.
on. Is it legal?
Oh, no, about 20 inches. These things are tricky to catch.
Yes.
You're like it.
Just in case, you know.
Yeah, just in case. Oh, I see. That was a good pull there.
Hey, you never know.
Well, there's a wall of yellowtail behind the boat.
Of course you're not.
say hi. Sean covers his face. Dad, say hi.
Yeah, no. No, it's not.
Alright, he's back there pretty far, Cap. So should I close the bail?
Yeah, you can fish it right there for a little bit and then drop it back.
Alright.
Are you sure it's still on?
Yeah, it's still there, huh?
How do you know?
I can feel it in my finger. See my finger? See my finger?
It's
I can
still-
feel it on my finger.
So he's just like, I'm
He's just swimming around back there, waiting for something.
I'm pretty sure he's not waiting for something.
Yeah,
'Cause he doesn't want to.
rephrase that.
I'm pretty
Let
sure
me
he
rephrase
doesn't
that.
want to get eaten.
He probably doesn't.
Oh,
No.
yeah.
Did you guys see those two friggin' birds, man of war birds? No. Yes, you did. Straight out off the back of the boat. That's
Yeah.
what you're looking for
That is sure
for
it's
tomorrow when we have the boat.
Okay, okay.
Nope, we're good. Perfect. All right, Thomas. Keep tight line, bud. You're doing great.
There you go. That's perfect.
I'd let that one go back a ways.
You want to let me go back some more?
Yeah. It's like a grouper.
Woohoo!
Needs to be 24 inches long.
You're pretty screwed up though.
What did he have?
Tropical fish in it. Drop it.
Toss him or use him?
Toss him.
All right, Thomas. Oh yeah, buddy. Keep it up, bud. Oh yeah. Bring him in the boat. Bring him in the boat. Bring him in the boat. Come on, keep it up. Keep it up. Come on, honey.
You're on your own.
Okay.
Top of the rock step was the ticket.
It's over too, isn't it? It's a little mangrove.
Holy mackerel.
I don't know. That was way out there too.
Goodness gracious, honey.
Look at that line.
Look at that snapper.
Yeah, bud. Biggest mangrove I've ever seen.
And that was on a cut valley hook.
Wow, Rachel, you're like, look at that line. Oh, what's the most interesting thing there?
Showing it off.
Tight line, bud. Keep your line tight. You're doing great.
Yeah, you're working it this way.
Yep.
Let it give it slack when we go down to the bottom. Start watching that. Watch the big net. Man, that's cold through.
That's a beautiful.
Got it.
Here you go.
Land this fish. Land this fish.
I don't think it's a snapper. It's fighting like a bonita. Oh, it is a big old snapper.
Come on, baby. Biggest I ever caught.
Hey, give me a little line.
Yes, sir. Got all you want. Thank you. Thank
Boy,
you.
he hit close to the boat, didn't he?
Yes, sir. Let me hold that. With the rag on the line. There you go, Rach. Biggest mutton I ever caught. Right there. Thank you. You need to tighten this drag. It's taking mine, sweetheart. Don't try to reel when that's happening. Don't try to reel when that's happening, bud. There you go. There you go, buddy. There you go.
Good work, Sean.
Ow.
Let's see where I am. I think we're free so far. We're free right now. We bumped once now.
He's controlling it really well.
Nicely done, Sean. Sean and I are going to. Oh my word. Sean, man. Nice.
Sean, man. Yeah, it was my beat, so you know.
Oh, my hand. Good job.
Where's the bag?
It fell.
There you go, Sean.
Nicely done, buddy.